I love the way that she's moving, okay? Can really appreciate kinky, like this Yaki texture straight, really mimicking that permed brown girl hair. You know what I mean? That blowout. If you're looking for something that's mimicking that, this is the, Jack. So I'm going on through with my Hot Tools rose gold flat irons just to go on and straighten this out as best as I talk about the cap construction. This unit does not have any combs on the inside of this cap, and I want to fight about it. It only has a comb in the back. It does have an adjustable band. Tetton combs in the cap. Put the Mary Tetton combs in the cap, okay? We want a secure install just like you want to give it to us, boo. So act like it. So now I'm going on through getting this unit together. Again, very seamless hairstyle. We only going to give her a little bit of love and sex and magic because she is doing all the work. Let me say, and I'm going to see you on the other side. The texture of this hair is I'm not going to say it's stunning. I'm going to say it's very, very nice. It's soft. And the texture of the hair is beautiful, okay? So sometimes when you get a Yaki texture hair, it feels like sandpaper-esque. This one does not. Love that. What I don't like so much is that this is not a big cap. It's a very small cap, and I have a small head. So that means it's probably around 23 inches. And from what I could see, you can't customize the size of the cap. So that's something that you guys need to be privy to. And I wanted to feel more secure. Now, two things is going on here. I have very thick hair. And my hair is only in 2 braids. And in theory, I think if I have on a cap, which normally I don't wear a wig cap, but if I did have a wig cap on, that would make a difference on how secure this felt. So I'm going to give it to me and not to them that it feels this way, but I want to give you guys the streets. Do you see that? Okay. Just so you know, she's outside. She's outside. I could do a little something with her. I don't really have much else to say. I gave you guys all of the details for this unit. She did not shed. She didn't tangle either. Okay? She doesn't feel sandpapery. Like I said, she's very lightweight. I love the way that she's moving. Okay? Can really appreciate that. Okay, Beautyforever hair, we see what you did. But they're OGs, so we know they're going to come through and give us something good and simple, but like straight to the point. Sometimes you just need a reliable hair brand, and for me, Beautyforever hair is one of them. Okay, bud, I'm on my way out. So I wanted to give you guys a final look of this unit. I'm all done. Really, really beautiful. So I want to give you guys a real update. Since I've gotten this unit from Beautyforever Hair, she's 24 inches, a Yaki straight unit, a 5x5 closure. Since I've received this unit, I've worn her for a week straight. So this is a week from the beginning of this video, okay? And here are my actual takes. It scrunches up a bit in the back. There's something going on in the back where kind of like Purple Pack Outre, Purple Pack Outre give you a little hump in the bump. Now, it's not visible. I can feel it. Like when I'm running my finger, it kind of gets knotty at the nape of the neck. However, the rest of it, perfectly fine. This unit is 180% density, okay? She's currently going for just under, I believe, $275 on beautyforeverhair.com, okay? I personally really like this unit. She's super easy to get together. I didn't even get sometimes what I worry about is the greasy look. When you have straight hair, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. I did not experience that at all. I want to reiterate that I've been wearing this for a week straight. I go to sleep, snatch it off, go to sleep, wake up, throw it on over and over and over again. And honestly, today was the first day I even added extra heat to her. Every other day, I've just kind of been chilling in her, and she's been working. So, kinky, like this Yaki texture straight, really mimicking that permed brown girl hair. You know what I mean? That blowout. If you're looking for something that's mimicking that, this is the unit for you. I really do like this hair. Like I said, it has the nape of the neck action and everything like that. But other Beautyforever hair, I am feeling like a Beautyforever in this. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Buzz down. Subscribe to this Mamie Tatum channel. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.